Hello everyone. Welcome to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Today we will talk about Android. Android, the world's most powerful mobile platform. Why Android? There is a long list of features of the Android operating system. Now the question arises, why should you choose us? There are a lot of reasons to join ThinkNEXT, like, we provide job offers to every student during training, we also provide free PD classes and a lot more. Here students learn from experts and work on live projects. You must go through the whole syllabus. We believe in providing as much knowledge as possible to the students in the limited training period. After learning basic Android, you can also learn advanced Android here. To learn more, visit us at our corporate office or contact us at the given numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.